part of what we do in-house. I mean, literally, we can do just about anything as it relates to restoring cars down to nut and bolt. But Alan plays a big role also in helping us work with the wheels. So what we got going on here today, Alan just blows my mind, because so Colin and I may find these old wheels that look absolutely, you know, beat to death and so forth, and we bring those things back. Alan brings them back to life and puts together his parts and stuff. So tell them a little bit of what you do with the wheel program.
So, like the ones I have on the bench right here, these are for a 996 Cup, getting respec'd for a 996 Cup. And Gary and Colin, they always buy me wheels and faces. We're trying to fit them on other cars, so they always come in oddball spec. So normally keep supply of barrels, lips, stuff that will fit for our Cup cars. Sometimes we do some early 911s. Had a couple cars I've done, refaced wheels and relit, barreled, make them fit. So I get down to the nitty gritty of measuring all the the offset spacing and measuring for barrels, lips, everything to clear the wheels. And then this is my little area where I have all my hardware, all brand new stuff for any spec or any face wheel we have for BBS. All the washers, stickers, valve stems, everything to basically make them brand new and just perfect and make them fit perfect on all the cars we run.
You know, we've been talking about the GTR today, and I know Alan's had to, you know, all we found was a set of centers that were very expensive for that GTR. There just weren't many wheels built, and we needed a couple of extra sets for that. So we got the centers, and, you know, between the barrels, the lips, and you find the right center, you can create the correct offset pretty much for any car. It's important from a safety standpoint and a performance standpoint not to just throw on any old set of wheels because they look good.
Yeah,
they need to be right when you're going 160 miles an hour.
Yeah, because you can't just spec them out how you want. There's a lot of stuff nowadays where some people, they're too much and then it rubs, clears on everything. But if you take the time to measure out everything, you can get them just right where they have good enough fitment. It still looks good, but it's also very usable and good for a track use and safe.
All right. Awesome, Alan. Thank you. Good job.